What's the meaning of athletics? Athletics. Athletics.
Athletics. Athletics. Athletics refers to a collection of sports or physical activities that often involve running, jumping, and throwing. It includes track and field events such as sprinting, long-distance running, hurdles, high jump, and discus throw, as well as other sports like gymnastics, swimming, and cycling. These activities require strength, endurance, and skill, and can be performed at both amateur and professional levels. With its focus on physical fitness and achievement, athletics has become an important part of many cultures around the world and is often showcased in major international competitions like the Olympics.